Today we're here to review this Quality Street tin, and it has assorted milk and dark chocolates and toffees. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So we have different colors. We'll just hold that. I think they're all different. With different shapes and different colors. I got the 3, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm missing something. This one. This one? Not sure. Okay, we'll see. Okay, and this is by Nestle, but not, I don't think the US Nestle. So, let's see. This yellow one is a caramel swirl. Wrapped in a clear cellophane, and then also a metal. There's caramel inside. Milk chocolate on the outside. That was pretty good. Okay, I think this one is orange cream. Oh. I think that one has dark chocolate on the outside. And the cream does have an orangey taste to it. Okay. Oh, there's a triangle. Wait. Green triangle I'm missing. Right here. Green triangle. I'm not sure what's this one. Looks milk chocolate. That one might just be chocolate. Okay, there's a purple one. It's called the purple one. Kind of looks like a nut, like a hazelnut or Brazil nut or something. I think there is a nut in there. It looks like caramel too. Okay. This one says fudge fondant. Oh yeah. does kind of have a fudgy texture to it. Very sweet taste. This one is Strawberry Delight. It's a round one. Kind of looks like that orange cream one on the inside. This one also might be dark chocolate on the outside. A little bit of a strawberry taste. I think the orange one tasted more orange than this one tasted like strawberry. And then this one is orange chocolate crunch. Or is this one just one of the other? I think that's an orange cream. Orange chocolate crunch. How do you open it? Oh, here we go. This one's kind of hexagonal, octagonal maybe? I don't know. Yeah, I think this one has little toffee bits in it. You feel a little bit of crunch when you chew. And chocolate does have a little orange taste to it. Kind of like a Terry's chocolate. And then this is the toffee finger. That one's soft. Tastes kind of like toffee. So these are all really good candies. Did I miss any? Did I do the blue one? Oh wait, I haven't done all of them yet. Just need a blue one. Okay, not done yet. Okay, this one is the milk chocolate block. There's a cutting like a block. That one does taste like chocolate. This is the toffee penny. And this one actually is not covered in chocolate. Oh, pulls. Nice chewy toffee. And then this is the coconut eclair. Yeah, it has a nice coconut taste to it. So these are all really good. So if you see this at somewhere, we've got ours at World Market, which has, you know, food and drinks and everything from other countries. So, anyways, I think I'm going to give these all A's. So anyways, I'm going to take another bite and I'll see you in the next one.